a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. But I cannot tell from where. He's calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face, and he cries again for